Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. It's the holiday season, so we all love our sweets, right, Jaurdyn?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay, Jaurdyn, what are we making?
We are making my Grandma Helen's carrot cookies.
Oh, I love it. Tell everybody how you made these, or the recipe Grandma Helen gave you.
So Grandma gave me the recipe with flour, mashed carrots, but she originally used baby food.
Really?
Yes. So to just get rid of all the sodium and stuff, I just boiled carrots for about 10 minutes just to make sure they're nice and tender.
Yep.
Mashed those up, added flour, sugar, baking powder, a little bit of salt, and softened some butter, and mix that all up.
You know what else I love that you added? Coconut.
Oh, and the coconut flakes, of course. How could I forget?
Listen, I won't forget because I can't wait to try these. Okay, so after you mix them up,
After you mix them up, you take a look at the texture. It should be a little chunky because of those coconut flakes.
Yeah.
And then you can just kind of add them to a baking sheet, 2 inches apart,
Yeah.
because they will expand. As you can see, a few of them are pretty big. And you'll pop it in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes.
I love it. I'm gonna try one. Can
Yeah,
I try
go
one?
for it, yeah.
All right, so tell us a little bit about the drizzle that's on top.
Yeah, so the drizzle is actually just a zest of an orange, a little bit of softened butter, and 2 oranges juiced. And you mix it in the powdered sugar until it's nice and thick, and you just drizzle it over.
Everything is fabulous. Everything in this cookie is fabulous. Really quick, Grandma Helen.
Yes, so this is her first holiday all alone.
Yeah.
Her husband, my bunka, passed away in April, so what a better way to honor her than making her favorite cookie and my favorite cookie from my childhood.
Well, then you have to have one
Yes,
too.
of course, I will have one.
And Grandma Helen, we honor you and we're thinking about you this holiday season. This is fabulous. Head over to wkbw.com/7life to get this recipe and so many more. Happy holidays. Recipes for 7 Life would like to thank Close Mentor.